What costs $75,000 a night and lets you sleep with sharks as your next-door neighbors? We're talking about the most exclusive, most talked about underwater villa in the Maldives. This isn't just a room, it's an entire aquatic kingdom. In the next few minutes, we'll dissect every single dollar of that jaw-dropping price tag. Is this truly the pinnacle of luxury travel? A stroke of architectural genius? Or simply the most outrageous splurge you could ever imagine? We're about to find out. But here's the real kicker, the secret no glossy influencer ever dares to reveal. I'll show you the hidden flaw, the moment the dream cracks open, and the illusion of perfect paradise shatters. Stick with me, you won't want to miss it. A journey begins not with a crowded airport terminal, but with a private twin otter seaplane. There are zero queues, no waiting, just a pristine turquoise lagoon, serving as your personal runway. Luxury starts the moment your feet leave the ground. Upon arrival, a dedicated butler greets you, not with a standard welcome drink, but with a chilled coconut. And yes, it comes complete with a gold leaf straw. It's a subtle flex, perhaps, or a blatant display of opulence. You decide. Then you step inside. The transition is immediate and breathtaking. You literally forget to breathe as the reef transforms into your private, panoramic IMAX screen. Every angle offers a living, breathing masterpiece, no ticket required. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the fantasy meets the ledger. $20,000 for the exclusive use of the private island itself. Another $18,000 ensures a dedicated, round-the-clock staff catering to your every whim. $12,000 is allocated for a 6-course dinner meticulously prepared by a private chef. $10,000 covers your seamless transfers, ensuring you arrive and depart in unparalleled style. $9,000 is for bespoke perks and personalized experiences. And then $6,000 just for a standby maintenance crew, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Every single flicker of a light, every drop of water, every breath you take in this underwater sanctuary costs $100. It's a constant, luxurious meter running. Your morning routine here is anything but ordinary. Imagine brushing your teeth, electric toothbrush humming, only to have a majestic manta ray glide past your mirror, offering an unexpected photobomb. It's hard to stay humble when manta wings are part of your reflection. Your backyard pool isn't just a pool, it's the entire Indian Ocean. A discreet living room hatch allows you to descend directly into the reef in just 4 steps. From your sofa to an instant dive, the ocean is literally at your doorstep. Lunch is an experience in itself. Toro sashimi, meticulously prepared, is dusted with edible gold flakes. It doesn't just look exquisite, it tastes, quite literally, like money. Every bite is a testament to unparalleled indulgence. Later, a vintage 1998 Krug champagne is uncorked, its effervescent bubbles mirroring the shimmering light of the reef outside your window. My spending spree, it seems, has never looked so effervescent, so perfectly aligned with the ocean's own sparkle. In just 60 seconds, I'll show you what happens when this underwater paradise goes dark. Stay tuned, because paradise, as it turns out, does indeed have a light switch. The illusion of perfection is about to be tested. It was 3:17 a.m. The reef, which moments before had been a vibrant, illuminated spectacle, plunged into total darkness. A sudden, complete blackout. Through the inky blackness, a hammerhead shark silhouette glided past the window, a stark reminder of the abyss. The Bond fantasy, the serene underwater dream, dropped to 0 volts. For a full 60 seconds, it felt less like a luxury escape and more like a budget horror film. The silence was deafening, the darkness absolute. Then The generators roared to life, lights surging back on, the reef re-illuminating in a rush of color. Glamour was rebooted, the fantasy patched. But that hairline crack in the perfect facade, once you've seen it, you can't unsee it. During my stay, I attempted a status match at the front desk. They smiled politely and declined. I asked again, perhaps with a touch more conviction. Still, a polite but firm no. My third attempt, palms sweaty, was a full-on plea, and finally they caved. It was a moment of pure, unadulterated cringe, but it revealed a profound truth about this level of luxury. The real currency here isn't just cash, it's confidence, persistence, and a certain social engineering. It's about knowing how to navigate the unspoken rules of ultra-luxury, even when it means a moment of awkwardness. So, is it worth it? For spectacle, I give it a solid 8 out of 10. The sheer awe of living underwater, surrounded by marine life, is undeniably breathtaking. It's an experience unlike any other. But for value, it scores a mere 4 out of 10. If bragging rights are your primary oxygen, if the story of spending $75,000 a night is worth more than the experience itself, then perhaps it feels cheap. Otherwise, my advice is simple. Grab a snorkel, save $74,000, and book the bungalow next door. You'll still experience the same magnificent reef, just without the astronomical price tag and the occasional blackout. Next up, we're diving into another extreme travel comparison, a $1,000 versus a $10,000 Arctic trip. Can ice truly beat paradise? Tap the thumbnail to find out. Now, for you, would you pay $75,000 for this underwater villa? Or would you opt for the cheaper bungalow and snorkel the same reef? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. If I surprise you with this inside look, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe before the manta ray does.